thanks so much for clicking on my video. I hope you guys are definitely subscribed already. If not, make sure you click the subscribe button. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like these. So I am going to talk a little bit through the video. I don't want to keep on talking through the video, but I just feel like it's just necessary. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on hair plucking or bleaching knots or styling a wig, anything of that nature, definitely let me know and give this video a thumbs up for that as well. So I'm showing y'all the lace and how it's kind of dark a little bit on the tips. See that? Yeah. But it came like that, but for the most part, it's not going to be a problem, especially once you put the wig on. So yeah, these knots are bleached. I bleached the knots. I've plucked the hairline to my liking. It did come pre-plucked because usually the wigs that I get are pre-plucked, but that's never enough for me. It's like I just always have to pluck it to my own liking, and I like kind of like not a thin hairline, but a thin hairline, if that made any sense. I don't know, but anyway, so y'all are gonna see me blow dry the hair a little bit, and then later on you'll see me change the nozzle to the, I think it's called an infuser. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but y'all gonna see me do that, and yeah, just continue watching. Is it real? Oh, and I love to love you, baby. She playing. Turn it on, put it on the highest setting. Look at my planner, y'all. Ain't it cute? Love it. Okay. While that warms up, what can I do? I shouldn't be doing this, huh? I need to put the wig on first. I'm playing myself. Why y'all ain't tell me? Y'all got me sitting up here. that I pretty much zoomed through a lot of things, because this isn't really a tutorial, just more so me showing you how I do my hair. But if you guys want me to do a more detailed video on how I pluck my frontals and how I do my baby hairs and all those things, definitely leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely create that video for you guys showing you my methods and how I pluck my lace front wigs and do the baby hairs and whatever else you guys need to know, bleaching, knots, all of that good stuff, cutting the lace, all of that. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that real quickly. And I am using a wax stick that I like but I don't like. Like, it makes my hair look so shiny, as y'all can see, but it is what it is. Still came out cute though. with you guys. So this is the finished product. Sis is locked and loaded and ready to go. So just so you guys know, a little thing about me. This was my birthday wig. I didn't feel like doing any drastic colors this year, you know, because I'm turning 22. Y'all know why. If y'all know me, y'all know why I'm laughing. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Definitely leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this entire video and making it all the way to the end. And y'all already know I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.